go. Good morning, guys. Why is there always a plane? What's going on, guys? Good morning. Today we are in the truck doing a little bit of an install. Just got this package from Hondo Garage. They hit me up, asked if I want to try out one of their phone mounts. It's a vent mount, and it's supposed to be really good off-road. So yeah, let's get into installing this and then let's see what it's about. So this right here is the actual phone mount itself. It comes in there. This is the vent mount. This is going to be one of the balls. The ram mount or ram arm. And then another little ball. And some stickers. Who doesn't like stickers? Okay, so this is the current situation going on. My Garmin now lives here. That's where my phone used to go, but I like this a little bit better because when I had my phone here, it was slightly blocking my main monitor. And I use this for Onyx now since Onyx started using CarPlay. So this is like the perfect screen for me when I'm using Onyx. Hondo Garage Unholy dash mount. It's supposed to be a non-drill, so that's nice if you want to have a mount that you don't have to drill in. This ram mount is fully drilled into the dash, so never taking that off. Comes with little instructions on how to install it. Rotate vent to your desired orientation when installed. Unholy mount limits the full 360 rotational motion of the vent. Okay. So I usually have it at about here, like that. And then it says to put it to 45 degrees. This is the mount that goes into the vent. Okay. I gotta go in and grab some Allen wrenches. I didn't know it didn't come with the actual Allen wrenches for this, so I have to go find something that fits these. Okay, so these smaller ones in the front are 3/32 sized bolts for the Allen wrench. From here, I'm just gonna shove this in here, and then it should just clamp up. There you go. It just shoves in like that. I wouldn't go too crazy on this, just because it's all plastic. Just tighten it down. Oh, okay. So you still got a little bit, you still move it up and down. I'm a liar. You still move this up and down, but you can't move, oh, you can't close it all the way, obviously. You can't turn it anymore. So that's why they said to do that beforehand. That's fine. That's totally fine. So after this, you're just going to take one of these balls, these ram balls. Just going to chuck one of these onto here. Find the holes. Screw them in. This is like, I don't know what size this is, but literally everything that I have uses this one Allen wrench. So I like always have this one always on me. This one lives in my camera bag because all of my photo gear that uses an Allen wrench uses this. For some reason, all my rack stuff uses this. It's the one for everything. From here, you're just gonna take your ram arm, throw this in here. I would loosely put this on, so about yay. Take another ram ball, connect that to the perfect squeeze. I think that's what they call it, the perfect squeeze mount. And it's going to mount diagonally like that. Or diagonally the other way. It doesn't matter which way you put this on. Should be smooth. So that's how it looks like when it's mounted. It opens like so. You're just gonna throw this onto the arm like this, and then tighten down the arm, put it into whatever position you would want it in. Sounds about right. Let's get my phone out. And then you're just gonna ratchet this down. So this is what it looks like mounted. It's pretty stiff. That's not gonna go anywhere. So it puts it in a really nice position. So this is where I'm looking. I'm driving. I only gotta look this far to look at my maps. Yeah, and it lines up pretty well with my Garmin. I don't know what else I'm gonna put here yet. This is as much as I really want, but I might mount something there. I don't know, maybe like an iPad if I really need to. But I use this mainly now since Onyx uses CarPlay. But if anything, it's going to be probably like a walkie-talkie or something like that. I probably might move this over to this side and then put a walkie-talkie here, so everything's kind of just like within arm's reach. So with the thumb screw mount, you can have it loose enough to where you can just pop your phone off with one hand, push it back in with one hand. That's pretty nice because with my Ram X mount, I had to use both hands to take my phone off. Now I can only use one, or I can use one if I want to, which is nice. And then when I'm off-roading, I can just crank down this thumb screw just to make sure that this isn't going anywhere. Yeah, so it looks pretty nice. So if you guys have any questions about this mount or anything about this, go ahead and leave them down in the comment section. If you like the content, make sure to hit that like button. If you haven't already, hit that subscribe button to see more content like this, as well as some of the trail videos I do. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.